Hi and welcome to St. Jude's Woodcraft. In this video, it's another Bentwood ring. This time we'll be working with an inlay. So again, if you haven't seen my first video on how to make Bentwood rings, I suggest you watch that and get a better insight as to how to make them. This wood I've already cut to size, and I've sanded both ends off as you'll see in the first video, exactly the same way method. With an inlay ring, you want it a bit thicker than you would with a standard Bentwood ring. And by thicker I mean the depth of the final ring, so you can sand it down and make your inlay works pop out a bit more. Good to go with the gluing. Again, it's just a medium thickness CA glue or super glue I'm using, or a cocktail stick. Again, glue the veneer to the veneer, and I try and do it in about 2 to 3 centimeter lengths at a time. Oh, it's so warm here today. I'm not complaining. Look. So you can see how thick that is compared to the first video. And that's just to give you a little bit of extra wood to play with when you're doing the channel for the inlay. It's come out quite well. So I'll stop there and get ready for the next step. Next step in making an inlaid bentwood ring is to carve the channel, or to file the channel out. In this case, I'll be using these fine wood and metal files just to get the channel, and then it's down to start the inlay work with the wiring. So now we've carved our channel, what do we do next? The next step is to place a wire ring on the edge of the channel, just to sort of like border your inlay. And to do that, you need to get some CA glue, super glue, have a bit of a blob, roll the wire in there. And basically move up the ring, take another bit of adhesive, pull it tight, make sure it's pushed up to the edge. A little further along the ring again, a little bit of glue, make sure it's pushed up, hold it in place and give it a spray with the vapor spray. Further along again, same process. A little more adhesive. All in place. Just a case of making sure it's all aligned. And there you are, one copper band, and now I just repeat the process on the other side. So the next step with this ring is, after getting 2 copper wire bands in, is to put an inlay in, and I'm going to be using this, which is a black opal I got from RingCraftUK on Etsy. I'll try and put their link, but I don't know if you can see the colours. So, taking a cocktail stick. Just put a layer of CA glue down again. We'll repeat this process all the way around. So keep applying the CA glue in between the copper bands, and then add your crystals. I'm going to carry on doing this, and I'll stop the video and come back to the next step. As you can see, I've completely inlay all the way around. Next step, to put the inlay in, is to get a trusty cocktail stick and some more CA glue. Just covers what's there. Do this all the way around. It just helps hold everything together. When it comes to sanding, you can get your crystals flying out. So the next step is sanding. I'm going to start with a 120 grit and work my way up to 800 to 1000 grit to shape the ring, and I'll do a bit of that in time lapse, and I'll speak to you at the next step. So I've cleaned up the inlay work now, and the next step is the glue up, like in my other videos, so I won't show that. the next time you see the ring will be complete. It's looking pretty good. So after about an hour of polishing and sanding, the ring is done. It's a little bit more spooly than I thought it would be. Great colours on the opal. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends, leave a comment in the comment section below. You can visit my Etsy store if you like. This ring's not going to be on there. This is a present for my brother, but there are other rings going to be on this soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.